Steve here again, Pinehurst grounds. Good morning. With a lot of play this spring, because there's really nothing else to do, we're finding a tremendous amount of ball marks on the course. So I'm just going to show you real quick how to fix ball marks with a few things that you just might have on you. Well, if you're a golf course superintendent, you have a knife. Everyone has a tee. This is a ball mark repair tool, which hopefully most golfers have. And if you're really desperate, just any key. I can show you how to do it with key. So with the tee, which is most common, you can just stick the tee in the middle of the hole, dowel it out a little bit, and then push in. Do not push up. Just pushing up tears the roots. Obviously a knife works really well doing the same thing, pushing in. The key, maybe take your longest key or maybe an old house key you don't use anymore. Kind of the same thing, you can dowel out the middle. And then of course your ball mark tool. And we're golden.